ABS-CBN host Robbie Domingo previously received a negative comment online, and actress Bel Mariano did this upon knowing what happened. In everything we do, we must be accountable. This is essential in both the personal and professional aspects of a person's life. In a previous article, Robbie Domingo went to the National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. He had a discussion with the experts about what he could do to address the threats he received online. To recall, a netizen who seemed to be a fan of Bel Mariano threatened Domingo if he ever teased Donnie Pangilinan with Catherine Bernardo. The now-deleted comment read, "At Robbie Domingo ay subukan mo lang na i-match si at Donnie at Bernardo Kath ready and solid supporters ni Bel Mariano na i-bash ka mula ulo mo hanggang paa. Wag mo itolerate yung kalandian ng peste mong kaibigan." Pangilinan and Bernardo are among the new judges of Pilipinas Got Talent, PGT, set to air this March. It happens that Pangilinan is the love team of Mariano, and collectively, they are called Dunbel. Accountability, the practice of being responsible for your actions and the consequences that result from them, he said in his post stressing on accountability. In an interview, Domingo spoke about this, and according to him, what he did got the approval from his legal team, family, and wife. He reiterated accountability, that it doesn't matter whether it's a minor or major threat from a troll account online. The main point is that one has to take accountability for his actions, whether online or offline. After it had created a loud buzz online, Domingo received a message from Bel. He shared, "Nag-message sa akin si Bel, saying na, 'Hey kuya, I hope you are okay. She was so nice for telling me na rest assured my true fans will not harm you in any way. Hindi sila ganoon, they love you and respect you a lot.' And I told her the whole story. We're good, we're okay." This wasn't the first time he had received a negative comment, but he felt like he needed to put an end to it. He wanted to teach people to be responsible and accountable in this age of social media.